everybody, and welcome to another episode of LJ Law, Family Law TV. I am Bonnie Leonardo, your host. Today's topic deals with a child custody evaluator. What is it? Is it necessary? And who decides when and how to use them? Before I get started with that, I want to remind you that if you have questions about this topic or any other family law topic, do not hesitate and go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to discuss your particular situation. So the issue today, and an issue that I have dealt with, I think 3 times in the last 2 months, is a child custody evaluator. This is a third party appointed either by the judge or chosen by the parents when, after the parents have attended a mediation, they are not able to come to an agreement as to custody or parenting schedule. So after this occurs, the court most of the time will require that the parents go see a child custody evaluator. This person does interviews with the parents, with the children, one by one. Multiple interviews are conducted. This evaluator also will look at the children's school records. They will talk to family friends. They will talk to other family members. They will talk to teachers, therapists, whomever that they can talk to get an idea of the dynamics of this family. Once the evaluator finalizes all their interviews, they then draft a report that they will give to the judge and sometimes to the parents. This report will include the evaluator's recommendations to the judge. They may recommend custody division, visitation, and time sharing. They may recommend individual or group therapy for the family or individual family members. They may address ways to deal with the family conflicts in the future, and they may address ways for the family and the court to deal with issues that the family is experiencing, such as substance abuse or mental health issues. The court will then most likely follow the recommendations of this evaluator, as the court usually uses these evaluators for them to assist in making a decision after they have interviewed the entire family and understand the family dynamics. The court does not have to follow these recommendations, but most of the times they do because they rely on these professionals. That is about this child evaluator in a nutshell. So if you want to discuss this further, please go to vegasdivorcemeeting.com. I'll be more than happy to sit down with you to explain this further and discuss your particular situation as it relates to a child custody evaluator. If you like the video, please hit the like button. And if you know somebody who can use this information and benefit from this information, please don't hesitate and share this video with them. And as always, I want to thank you for tuning in, and I will speak to you next time.